the day before the storm. A blizzard is on the way here in the Northwoods. Today, we're getting a mix of wet, rainy snow, the kind that settles in and turns everything slick with a layer of ice. Before we get to work, preparing for what's coming, let's slow down for a minute and take a look at some of the wildlife activity around us. The red squirrel. There's our red squirrel, right on the bird feeder again. Always hungry, always busy, always munching. We enjoy watching these mischievous little critters all year long here in the Northwoods. They're feisty and full of personality, and sometimes they've got an attitude. Some people think they're destructive, chewing on homes, campers, and anything else they can get their teeth on. But how can you not admire them? With their twitching noses and fluffy tails, those furry little tufts behind their ears, they're pretty hard to beat in the cute department. And if you've ever listened to them chattering away in the woods, you know they've got plenty to say. They get into bird feeders, sure, but hey, wouldn't you if you had easy access to a free meal while living out in the woods? Nuthatch and chickadee. Sharing the feeders today are a couple of Northwoods favorites, the nuthatch and the chickadee. These little birds are incredible when you think about it. They manage to survive some truly brutal winters in the Northwoods, often dealing with below zero temperatures and heavy snow. In just another day, we're expecting to see 10 to 15 inches of snow. Conditions like that aren't easy, especially for something that small. One of the ways these birds survive is by eating high-fat seeds, which help fuel their tiny bodies through the cold. They also fluff up their feathers, trapping warm air close to their bodies like a natural winter coat. We love watching them dart around the feeders, but it also feels good knowing we're helping them make it through another harsh stretch of winter. After the storm, time to work. Now it's the next day, the storm has passed, and it's time to clean up and get to work. But stick around, we'll check back in on the wildlife once everything settles down. First things first, the snowblower needs oil, and that nearly flat tire has to be aired up. No shortcuts today, there's a lot of snow waiting for us. Snow removal. There's Dennis out snow plowing, and yes, it's a lot of snow. It's hard work, no doubt about that. But just wait until you see the magical beauty this white fluffy stuff has created across the landscape. Roof raking. Next up, Denise is tackling the roof. She's got her own technique for pulling down that snow, and while it might look a bit unconventional, well, if it works, it works. She's not particularly tall, and brute strength isn't always the answer. Sometimes you just have to get creative, so don't judge her. Snow depth. Dennis takes a moment to show just how much snow is piled up on the roof. Wow, that's a lot more weight than it looks like from the ground. Help arrives. And here comes Denise's brother Tim, jumping in to help with the snow blowing. That extra set of hands makes a big difference. John Deere. Back at it with the John Deere, definitely a back saver. Just look at the piles of snow it's pushing up. Winter doesn't mess around out here. Winding down. Now it's the next day, the work is done, and we finally get a chance to slow down again. Let's head back to the feeders, check on the critters, and enjoy the quiet that follows a Northwoods winter storm. Thanks for watching, and enjoy. behind you. Behind you.
Girl. Hey, come on. Come on, girl. Come and eat. Come on. You can come and eat. Come on. Come on. You can come and eat. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Have some corn. Have some corn. Yeah. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah. Where's Mama? Mm-hmm. Where's Mama? Oh. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Okay, Mama. Come on, Mama. Come on. Sit.